Hello beautiful soul, welcome back to another video. If you haven't already subscribed, please do. I do a lot of tutorials on here. I also talk about my life as an influencer, shuffler, performer, and all of those things. I just really show you guys everything that I do in my life. So today I'm going to be showing you a choreo that I really loved. I just want to bring it back because it's so fun and it's so saucy. The song that it goes to is so good.
On me, on me.
And let's get started. The choreo starts with a flick, so it's actually the move of shoo, shoo, shoo. That's gonna be facing forward, hips forward. We're just doing a switcharoo, so it goes kick right, switch with left, and you're going to step in and push back. From the side view, it goes right, left, step, back. From this view, right, left, step, back. We're actually gonna leave it in this position instead of flattening it. We're gonna stay here at the balls of our feet. This gives us more control because we're gonna swing it back. So from that switcheroo, I love that I'm saying switcheroo, right, left, step, back. That's on 8 and 1, 8 and 1, and 2. All we're doing here is when we pin our foot down, our left foot pushes our right foot back, but we're maintaining most of the weight distribution here in the front, and we're gonna step, and it's just a pit stop to come back and swing that forward leg, that left leg, and replace where the placement was with the right leg. So it goes 8 and 1 and 2, 8 and 1 and 2. I'm gonna face forward now. So we swing that leg over, step on the balls of our feet. We're going to come up with the toes pointed inwards as if you're doing a little Charleston, but we're gonna come back, right? So it's a ball change, ha, 4. All I'm doing here is moving from my heels in, out, in, out, in, out, and back. As if we're doing a Charleston, but it's actually coming back. So from the 2 and 3 and 4. Now we're gonna do it on the other side, and 5 and 6. Twisting the heels outwards, knees in. Your transition point is coming in like this with your toes out, heels in, twist out, just like how you did on the other side, and back. Ha, ha, right? Shoot, shoot. Yeah, so we go 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6. So let's just try it really quick with just from there. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Our weight is really changing, and it's really changing quickly, but I know you got it, just practice it. So from here, we went back on 6, we're gonna come back on that perch position, up on that knee, up. Notice how I'm twisting as if I'm doing those Charlestons, right? Really, really important to twist because that really helps you transition from this point of the movement to another point of the movement, right? So 6, and we're doing our X outs, poly pockets, whatever you want to call them, running mans, up, cross, up, cross. 3 of those. Up on that perch position, we're gonna do a cowtail, swing, swing, flick. To do a cowtail, you're gonna swing to the left, swing over, back, and kick. So it goes 2 and 3 and 4. So we just went into 6, up, cross, up, cross, up, cross, up, swing into a cowtail. So that's on 2, 3, 4, and it's gonna be a straight kick. 8 and 1 and 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's on 4, and we're gonna do what's called a top rock movement. It's not top rock, but it's similar to it. A lot of people call this a soccer kick for some reason. Whatever, we're just gonna call it a little top rock thing, Indian step. Up, 4, 5. And we're gonna twist our hips. Notice how I'm facing this way with my hips. We're gonna twist out, twist that leg out. Now my hips are facing this way, and we're gonna twist back that way. Only this time we're gonna open up the knee and end up right here. And this is going to be the fun part. It's really important to pay attention to your hips while you're doing this movement. When you are doing crazy stuff like this, like turns, you need your hips and your shoulders to lead the way. Otherwise, it's going to feel super unnatural. I mean, it's probably gonna feel unnatural now, but when you really pay attention and lead with your shoulders and your hips, it becomes so much easier. So let's slowly put it together. We went on 8 and 1 and 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. From here, really fast, we go 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and 1. Yeah? So we went up here, knee up, right knee up, left knee up, right knee up, and then as your leg is coming down, we're gonna scooch back on the heels, shoot, and then toe. Yeah, it's fun. So 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and 1. Nice. You are twisting, 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 and now we're in the sideways view. Sideways view is really important because that's how you can see the accents of this switch knee thing that we're about to do. All right, so let's take it slow. 8 and 1 and 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and 1. Hey, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and 1. Nice. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8 and 1. And 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8 and 1. Great job. I hope that you got that one down. It's quick, it's not simple, but it's so much fun. I gotta catch my breath, I gotta breathe. Tag me if you give it a try and post it online. I would love to see it. And make sure to hit a thumbs up if you love this type of content. Comment down below what else you would like to learn, and I will catch you guys in the next one.